Hello friends, today in this video I am going to cover how you can make a very simple hover effect on the social icons. As you can see this example, when I hover to any social links, then there have been a background change which is linear gradient. And second thing that you have to notice that when I hover to any icon, then there have been a color change from black to white, as this is simple. And third thing that when I hover to this icon, then there have been a upward raise from the level of the icons have been placed. So in this tutorial I am going to cover this. I have provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. Get it, check it out if you find some difficulty in coding it. So to create this, you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder of name intro to social link animation. On clicking on this, I have two files. First one is index.html and second one is style.css. The first one is used to create the markup of our web page that we are going to create, and second thing is the style.css. It is required to styling our markup language. So on the right click, I have opened it with the code editor or text editor. So I have opened it in the VS Code. It depend upon your choice. So in this I have written all the basic syntax of the HTML. Here I have used the HTML tag, head tag, body tag, and in the head section I have used the title to give the title to my document. Here I have provided the link of my font awesome kit. So if you don't know how to use this, so in the after few seconds I will tell you how you can operate your own kit in the font awesome. Here I have linked the CSS file to the R markup. Here you can see that I have imported the Google fonts, and it depend upon your choice. If you want to put it, then you can put it. There have been a basic styling in the body where the margin is 0, padding is 0, and font family is pop. Coming to the index.html, let's code it. Create a div of class hero. Here in this, put a heading as to all the links of social icons. Here in this, use break line. After this, create a div of social icons. In this, we are going to provide all the links here by the anchor tag, and we are go to your web browser. Here search for font awesome. After coming to this sign in, here kit part, clicking on to the open section, then copy the kit code and paste it to the markup head section and link your CSS file. So viewing in the live server, after viewing, click on the icon. Here put the Facebook. As you can see the symbol, click on this, copy the CSS of the I tag and paste it here. After saving it, you can open with the live server and you can see the basic markup that we have written till. So come to the HTML. Here I have provided you can search on the font awesome that as similar as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. So copy this, and after copying, all the basic markup have been created like Facebook, YouTube and Twitter, and then I have Instagram and so on. Here we are going to style hero class, putting the width will be 100% and height will be 100 VH. After saving it, then the display will be flags, align items will be center, and justify content will be center. Here I have used the flex direction will be column, and then this section will come from heading related as to. Here I have the heading in the hero class, so I have put it. Here you have to put the font size will be 40 pixels so that it will be visible from the far away. Here crossing it, then after saving, then we are going to style the anchor tag. Before anchor tag, we are going to set social links, not social link, it's my mistake, display will be flags, but there have been no change as you can see. So to get back this, we here, after seeing that there have been a social icons used, copy this and paste it here and paste again here, social icons. Then in this you have to put the width will be 80 pixel and height will be 80 pixel. After saving it, then text align will be center and box shadow will be 0 0 and 20 pixel and 10 pixel, and the color will be in RGBA, so that it will be 000.05. Black markup. Here I am mistaken that in the social icon the anchor tag I have used, so in this used a tag. Here you can see, but we have to put them in a different way. So we are creating a border radius of 50, and then the maximum margin from left will be 30 pixels, so that each div will be separated from each other. Then all coming to the well section, here in the social icon anchor tag pointing that you can see that all the links provided here, the fab class is common, so we are going to style this fab in this fab.fab. Sorry, this is a class name. So in this we are putting the line height will be 80 pixel. 80 pixel is the reason that we have put it on the social link icon also. So then the font size, not font size, or color will be black, and then you can see the all the icon have converted into the black. Here you can see the font size will be 30 pixel. It is large enough to see from the far away, and here all the links have been created. Now we have to create the hover effect. For this you have to come to the social icons in this a anchor tag. In this anchor tag, after then in this content will be none, then width will be 100%, and then height will be 100%. So as you can see, we have to put the position relative in the main content, main anchor tag, so that it will use the after effect. So in this we will use the position will be absolute, because in the main tag we have used the position relative. Top will be 0 and the left again will be 0, and the background will be linear gradient. So for the linear gradient you have to come to your web browser, search for webgradient.com. After coming to this website, you can select whichever the color that you want to put on your CSS file. So I have selected it, and after copying it you can see the result. So coming to the refreshing this part, here I have mistaken one thing, that in the content there will be not none, it will be the empty brackets. So after noticing, after getting that it is correct or not, background image, then after refreshing there will be no effect. I have mistaken in the content part, so erase the none and put a simple bracket. As you can see, there have been a square bracket created over the icons, social icons. So we have to put so I am putting a notice that you do not have to put none on the content. Now in this I want that there have been some gap between the text we have written and the social links icons we have provided. So margin used is top here. Then here the height is 80 pixel and width, so we will going to put minus 80 pixels so that it will come to the top. Here in this we will going to create a transition of 0.5 second, so that when we hover after 0.5 second the animation will take place. Here after a hover Here I will came to the top will be 0, so that there have been a simple animation. When I hover to each social icons, as you can see there have been a smooth animation from top to bottom. So further on going on to create the links of the social icon to be white, then put a hover, then color will be white. After saving it, let's see it. But you can see the z index of the social icon is behind the after content. So for this we have to relate the position will be relative, z index will become 2. So as you can see, when I hover, the color changes from black to white. Then in this anchor tag, overflow is hidden so that the after part will not be shown. When I hover to this social icon, then only the effect is shown, and here I project is completed. If you want some further detail, so you can get it by the nth child we have used in the anchor tag. Here I will putting a transform of translate y-axis 10 pixel so that there have been a upward raise in the social icons. Here transition will become 0.5 second. It is in downward, so put here the minus, that so that it will be upward from the when we hover, then there have been a difference from the other. And thank you for watching this video if you have been at the end of this video, and like and share this video as much as possible to your friends, and not forget to subscribe.